I am Dr. Terry Jansen's digital avatar. In this talk, we overview the process that occurs in the nightly data collection window that begins at midnight, but only that which is related to the stock market and investing. Other data for other applications is also collected. It is presented by Alan of AI4Good Squared. Both AI4Good Squared and AI4ROI Cloud, that is Return on Investment and Impact, are nonprofit 501c3 organizations dedicated to helping humanity prosper. Join us in doing a world of good at ai4good2.org. Now for the talk.
This overview is technical, but I will keep it high level so it is easy to understand for most audiences. This image shows the data processing that occurs after all stock market data sources have been collected and before the deep AI analysis begins. We will use Oracle, ticker symbol ORCL, as the example. In this workflow, JSON simply refers to the format used to collect and store the data. The process begins with the index.json. This file tells us what data was actually collected during the overnight data collection run, which we refer to as the data window. For ORCL, the data collected is shown in box 1 on the left side of the workflow image. Next, box 2 represents quality control. This step checks the completeness of the collected data, identifies missing fields, and summarizes the quality of the data available for Oracle before any deeper analysis is performed. Box 3 then processes the main Oracle data file. This is where the ORCL facts, metrics, and records are extracted, organized, and prepared for review. Box 4 is the reasonableness assessment. At this stage, AI looks for possible outliers by comparing the ORCL JSON data with other Oracle-related data available through internet sources. The goal is to flag values that may be inconsistent, incomplete, stale, or unusual enough to require further review. Box 5 adds current context by searching for recent news on Oracle. This may include new products and services, acquisitions and mergers, litigation, management changes, major customer announcements, regulatory developments, or other events that could affect the interpretation of the collected data. Box 6 performs a first-pass analysis. This is not the full deep AI analysis. Instead, it positions the Oracle data for the next phase by summarizing early findings, highlighting strengths and risks, and identifying anomalies that deserve attention. Box 7 generates an annotated list of additional data that should be collected before deep analysis begins. This list helps identify missing inputs, preferred sources, why each data item is needed, and where it can be obtained through an API or other data source. Once the data acquisition and preparation steps are complete, the workflow is ready to move into the next phase, shown in Box 8, Deep AI Analysis. That later stage can include valuation, thesis testing, scenario analysis, risk assessment, and monitoring. The important takeaway is that this workflow is automated during the midnight data window. Automation makes the process efficient, repeatable, and scalable, saving users countless hours of work and providing more accurate, complete results. High-quality AI analysis occurs next, either by automation also, or by users who prefer to do the analyses themselves.